In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when OneDrive is stuck on sync pending. We rely heavily on OneDrive for syncing files across devices, and when it gets stuck, it can be incredibly frustrating. Let's walk through a simple process to get your OneDrive back up and running smoothly. First, locate the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of your desktop screen and is represented by a small cloud symbol. Click on this icon to bring up a menu with several options. Next, look for the gear icon within this menu, which stands for Settings. Clicking on this will give you access to some useful options to help manage OneDrive. Here, you will want to select the option to pause syncing. This effectively stops any ongoing syncing activity and is a crucial first step in resetting your OneDrive sync operations. Following that, you'll need to click on Quit OneDrive. This isn't as drastic as it might sound. It simply closes the OneDrive application temporarily without affecting your files. It is an essential step to ensure no processes are running in the background while we make these adjustments. Now let's open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in your Windows search bar. Once opened, navigate to the left side of the window where you will find a list of folders and locations. Locate and select OneDrive. After selecting OneDrive, you're ready to restart the application. Return to your desktop and click on Start OneDrive. You can find this option either through your Start menu or by searching for OneDrive in the search bar. Starting OneDrive once more should restore its sync functionality. Once you've completed these steps, OneDrive will automatically attempt to restart its sync process. Keep an eye on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar to ensure it's no longer showing a sync pending status. However, if you find that OneDrive is still stuck, try restarting your PC. Often a quick reboot can resolve any lingering glitches or temporary issues that may be affecting your system's performance. Disconnect from all other network usage before doing this to ensure a fresh start once your PC is back up. Hopefully these steps have helped you resolve the syncing issue. It's always a good idea to perform regular checks and keep your system updated to minimize these kinds of issues. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our channel for more tech tips and tricks.